Well, we were able to get up on a ridge and break out our Vortex binos and spot a really nice antelope bedded down kind of in the bottom between two kind of sand dunes. So what we're going to do is slip around, come to the back side of one of those dunes, and hopefully come over and get Kurt in a great position to make a great shot with his night muzzleloader and lay down this antelope with Sneed Ranch Outfitters. Well, Curtis made a pretty good shot on this antelope. He did him a little bit back, so we decided to back out, go around and get the truck, and go to where we last saw him, and he was laying right in front of us.
That is awesome. What a goat.